Hello everyone, today we are gonna solve merge to sorted list problem. So in this problem we are given a two sorted list, list 1 and list 2, and we have to merge these two sorted lists into a one sorted list. Okay, and that we have to do by changing their links, not by making a new list. Okay, so let's see in this example how we are doing is, so here this is our one list, this is our list 2, and by merging we are doing is this. So how we are doing it actually is, so let's see. So we have this list, this is our L1. Okay, this is our list 1 and this is our list 2. So what we are doing is, actually first we are seeing ki which element is smaller. Okay, so which element is smaller. So here 1 and 1, we can take any element. So let's say I am choosing this. So right now my head, let's say this is my head, which is points to my merge sorted list. Okay, so this is one. So right now it points to this, and I am taking one variable, let's say current. Okay, which will help me to iterate through the merge sorted list. So right now L1 is pointing to this first and L2 is pointing to 1. Okay, so L1 is pointing to 1 and L2 is also pointing to 1. So what I am doing is L, which one is smaller. So if anyone is, if both of them are equal, then you can choose anyone. Okay, so let's say I am choosing this one. Once I choose this one, so this is done. Okay, this node is done. So now what I have to do, I have to move L1 from this to here. So I have to move L1 from 1 to 2, and I have to move and add this into my merge sorted list. So this word is in my merge sorted list. Okay, so now what I have to do is, this is my L1 and this is my L2. So from both of these, which one is smaller? This is smaller. So I have to link my merge sorted list into this smaller one. So what I will do, I will remove this link and add it into this way. Okay, add into this way. So my list will be 1 1. Okay, so I am changing the link of this list. Okay, not a original. This is the same list. Okay, I am just showing it here so that you can visualize it clearly. It is not a new list. Okay, it is the same list. So now my L2 is done. Now I will move my L2 from 1 to 3. So L2 is moving to 3. So now from L1 is 2 and L2 is 3. Which one is smaller? 2 is smaller. So what I will do, I will remove this link and I will make our link is like this. So I will make it is like this. Okay, both of them are same list. Okay, so now once I move this, so I have to move my L1 from 2 to 4. Now L1 is 4. Okay, now I have to see is 4 and 3, which one is smaller. So 3 is smaller, so I have to cut this link and I have to make this here. While I am doing this, I have to also my move current element. Okay, so now current will be at 3. Okay, here is my current. Okay, so now once it's reach here, so my L2 will be go here and L2 will be 4. So now which is smaller? So you can choose anyone. So let's say I am choosing this. Okay, now L1 will go here. Once L1 is pointing to null, so first I have to add this. Once L1 is pointing to null, then what you have to do is, you have to add the entire list as a nest element. Okay, as a nest. So I will add, without checking, I will add this 4. Okay, if there are many more elements, let's say if there are many more elements, so I do not need to just check. I just, because L1 is finished, so the entire L2 will be our sorted list. Okay, that will be added into the merge list. So this will be our answer: 1 1 2 3 4 4. 1 1 2 3 4 4. So what we are doing is, we are actually changing the exact, changing the original list. We are not making new merge list. Okay, so this is our solution. So let's see the code and analyze it further. So let's have a dry run here. So what we are doing is, first of all, we are checking if our L1 is null. If list 1 is null, then we return list 2. If list 2 is null, then we return list 1. Okay, then we are using one variable which is head. Head will points to the head of our merge sort list, and current will be points to the current element of the merge sorted list. Okay, so if I have my head, so should I points to this or should I point to this? So how do we know my head should point to which element? Okay, so my head is points to the element which is a smaller value. Okay, so right now I can choose anyone because both of them are equal, so I am choosing L1. Okay, once I choose L1, so what I have to do is, if I choose L1, so I have to move this L1s to by L1 by next. Now L1 will be not 1, it will be 2. Okay, and L2 is pointing to 1. Okay, so now once I do this, I have to do this until and unless my any one of this list is empty. Once any list is empty, I will take the second list and add it to the merge sorted list. Okay, so now just I have to check which is smaller. If L2 is smaller, I will make my current nest as L2 and update my L2 nest. Or if it is L1 is smaller, then I will make my L1 as current nest and improve L1 nest. And I have to iterate to current nest. So how I am doing is, once I reach this first, then I will check L1 value is 2 and L2 value is this. So this case is run. So current nest will be L2. L2 is pointing to 1. So current nest, what is current? Current points to head. So current points to the same element. Current also points to this. Okay, let me show here. So current points to this. Now current will point to current nest will be L2. Current nest right now is 2. Now current nest will be this, and this link will be broken. But L1 is also pointing to this. So I will update L1s to one side. L2 is pointing to do. So what I will do? I will point L2 to here. Okay. Okay. L2 points करा and L2 को nest कर दिया. Now what I have to do is, I have to again check. I have to, once I reach this, I have to move my currents to this. Now current points to this. Okay, this step is, now current points to this. Now what I have to do is, I have to again check 1 or 2. This will move L2 to 3. Okay, so now which is smaller, 2 or 3? 2 is smaller, so I have to make this link. Okay, I will make this link. Current will points to this. Current will now points to this, and L1 will be 4. Okay, now what I have, this link is broken. Now 4 and 3, which is smaller? 3. So I will make this link will be broken. This will points to 3, and now current points to this. So now this is 4, and once is this is also 4. Okay, now 4 and 4, which is smaller? You can take any. Let's say I am taking this as well. So 4 is this. Now this is empty. Okay, this will move to null. Okay, so this is empty, so I will choose this. So you can take anyone. Okay, now this will be here. Now current will be here. Okay, so this is a simple solution. And the time complexity, what will the time complexity of this solution? So if you see the time complexity, as we are just passing through each node once only, so time complexity will be, let's say if the length of first node is n and length of second node is m, so will be of n plus m, and we are not using any extra space, we are just changing the links only. So space complexity will be of 1. Okay, but if you see clearly, so this code and this code is same exactly. Okay, so what we are doing is, for finding our first node, which one is our first node, we are using this code. So can we replace this code? Can we? Yes, we can replace this code. There is a concept of a dummy node in linked list. So what we will do, we will take any node as our first node. Okay, this is our dummy node. We are taking our dummy node as this, and then we will follow the same procedure. This same procedure for rest of the node. Okay, so what will happen, our 0 will be added here, 0 will be added here, and head is pointing to, and head will pointing to this. Okay, but as you know, this is a dummy node, this is not in this list, it maybe or may not be possible. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to return this node. Okay, so what will the benefit of having a dummy node? So if we have a dummy node, so we do not have to take care of the special case of first node. Okay, we can use the cases that we are using for all the cases. Okay, for all the nodes we can use generalize this for everyone. we do not need to consider our first node as a special case. So we can remove this code. Okay, and we can also, if we are not using this, we are not using L1 and L2, so we can remove this node as well. Okay, so our code will be look like this. So you can clearly see that with the help of dummy node our code become very clean, and we have removed this null because we are not using this. If we are not using this, so we do not need to check L1 and L2, so we will remove this. We remove this because this is already there. Okay, and we are for first node we are checking the dummy node. The only thing which is changing is rather than pointing to returning head, we are returning head next value because head is pointing to dummy node. Okay, and after that this dummy node next will be, this is our answer. Okay, so we will returning this. Here we are return, here our head is pointing to answer. Okay, but here we have to do this calculation of first node. So to just reduce the calculation of first node, we use dummy node, and it make our code very simpler. So this is the solution of merge to sorted list without using dummy node and with the using dummy node. So both of them are the iterative solution. So now let's check the recursive solution of this problem. Now let's see the solution 2, which is using, basically it is the solution 3. Okay, using recursion. First one was without a dummy, second was dummy, and this will be third using recursion. Okay, recursion. So how we are gonna solve this recursion? Let's have our two list first. So how we are gonna solve it? So let's think of a smaller input. So if my L1 is empty, if this is empty, then I will return this, and if this is empty, then I will return this. So I can say that if any one of this empty, then return the second one. Okay, but if both of them are not empty, so how I will do? I will say let's say this is my one and this is my one. So I am choosing any one. Okay, I am choosing, let's say, this one. So once I will choose this one, what I will do is I will say कि this is my L1. Okay, this is my L1 and this is my L2. This is my L2. Forget about this list. First merge these two lists. Once you merge these two lists, let's say this, after merging these two lists, my answer would be list. What I will do is I will link my one nest to the output of this and return this. Okay, so now my question will be smaller. Now I have to do for this. So when I come for 1 and 2, then it will say कि first do that. So let's just run it with the help of code and understand it better. We start with like let's say I name it ML merge list. Okay, so I will start with L1. L1 is pointing to 1 and L2 is also pointing to 1. Okay, so what L1 L2 will say, if my L1 is null, no. If my L2 is null, no. If both of them are not null, then what you have to do is you have to check which is smaller. So L1 is right now smaller, you can choose L1. Okay, so I am choosing L1 and I am saying ki what will be the answer of my merge sorted list of this and this. I will merge them and use this one nest to the answer of that. So I will call merge list L1 nest. Okay, because L1 is smaller, so L1 nest will be 2. Here L1 nest is 2 and L2 is at L2. So now what it will say, कि you have to do 2 and 1, which is smaller, 1 is smaller. This time this is L2, so you have to make L2 as 3. So you have to go 2 and 3. Now this time 2 and 3 this, so you have to put 2 here and you have to say, hey, you have to go to which is 2's nest, 4. So 4 and 3. Now how you are gonna do? You say 3 and what will the answer of this? You will add with them. So here is my 4, 4, and once you have this, you can take any of them. So I am taking 4 and one is my 4 and another is null. So when you see a null, you can return this 4 as well. Okay, directly 4, no need to any call. So now what will be my list look like? So this will return my L1. Okay, once you get L1 and nest, you merge that then you return L1. Okay, so I will return this. So my list will be 4 and 4 will return 4. So it will be like 4 and 4 merging to this, because this direction is like this, 4 nest. Now 3 nest will connect it to this list. So this list go on 3. Now 2 will be here. So this will be, and this how this call back is also done. Okay, this is also done. Now 2 is done. Once 2 is done, it will return 1. Once 1 is done, once 1 is done, we have our 1 as answer. So we have our 1 as answer. Now what we will do, 1 nest is this. Now we will return this L1. We will return this, and this will be our head of merge sorted list. You can clearly see. Okay. So what will the time complexity of this solution? So the time complexity of this solution will be of n plus n. Okay, and space complexity is still, what will be the space complexity? Think. So at the worst case, what we will do, you are gonna do that number of calls. Okay, that number of calls. So you have to, it will be of n. Okay, of n plus 1 to be precise. So now let's see the all of 3 solution and analyze them. So these are the all 3 solution we have right now. So this is the solution without using without using any dummy node and iterative solution. Once we use our dummy node, so our solution will be utilized to this much, and it is more cleaner than this, and it is more simpler than complexity is actually same, but it is more cleaner. But once you see the recursion version, so this is our using recursion, this is more cleaner. But if you see there we have a headache of call stack. Actually we do not take headache of call stack, it is done by the system. So this is the most cleanest solution, and that's the best use of using recursion solution. So yeah, this is all the iterative and recursive solution. If you understand everything about this, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. If you have any doubt in anything, you can ping me in the comment section. You can check out the source code and the article related to it into the description. Thanks for watching.